How to change your country on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your country on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here to go to the settings, click this one, settings and privacy, this one, click on it, and then you need to find this one, your account, click on it, and now all you need to do just click this one, account information, and then country, and as you see now you can change it to anything you want. And that's how to change your country on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.